Education Rights 2026 of Rabat National High School. So today, this is not just an ordinary day, but it is a special day to our awardees, especially to them.
Trying to make it right, trying. You're the afterglow.
This is not just an achievement, but the hard work, perseverance, and determination of our students. Recognition is more than receiving awards. It is a reminder that every effort, no matter how small, leads to growth and success. To our awardees, you have shown your own unique ways. Your commitment to learning and your willingness to overcome challenges have brought you to this moment.
On your shifting seas, my consistency, over disbelief, still breathing.
There is no shortcut to success. Ang karampusan, dili makuha sa usa ka lakang lang. Dili kini ihatag sa imong kamot nga walay paningkamot. Success requires patience, sacrifice, and determination.
When you feel so much that you can't explain, you gotta hold on tight. We're gonna find our way. When there's a war inside, a never-ending ache, you gotta hold on tight. We're gonna find our way. When you feel so much that you can't explain, you gotta hold on tight. We're gonna find our way. When there's a war inside, a never-ending ache, we gotta hold on tight. We're gonna find our way.
And one of the most important steps in that journey is education. Kung mahuman ka sa eskwela, dili lang kay nakabot nimo ang usa ka diploma. You have proven to yourself and to the world that you can finish what you started. Ang pagtapos sa eskwela usa ka simbolo nga nakalahutay ka, nga nakabarog ka bisan sa kalisod, ug nga andam musugat sa mas dakong hagit sa kalibutan.
To our parents and guardians, thank you for your constant support, sacrifices, and unwavering belief in your children. Your guidance, encouragement, and love have played a vital role in every success we celebrate today. As we move forward, may we all be inspired to continue striving for excellence, not only in academics, but in character, compassion, and service. Let these recognition rights serve as a reminder that with determination, discipline, and teamwork, great things are always within